How to download YouTube playlist. Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you download YouTube playlist. To do it, so you just have to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So here, first of all, you want to go to YouTube application, and what you need to do is you could go ahead and download or create a playlist. First of all, I'm gonna go with this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and save it to playlist. Once I've done it, so I'll be adding some of the videos more to it. And once you've actually done it, so you simply want to go to the use section, and here you have, and once you go to the playlist section, you'll be able to view all. If you have a YouTube premium, then you'll be able to see the download YouTube playlist option right over here. But since I do not have one, so if you want to get the playlist, or if you want to get the premium, you want to go ahead and click the profile icon once again. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, then go ahead and click on purchase and membership, and you could go ahead and get premium. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.